Let's get to the market action today, though. We've got Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré standing by. And Ines, as we said, a very busy week investors are gearing up for.
That's right, a big week. And today we are looking at a little bit of action. We're seeing the Nasdaq that's down almost 0.5%. You've got the Dow and the S&P. The S&P is flat. The Nasdaq's, the Dow slightly higher. Taking a look at the sector action, we're looking at technology. That's what's really dragging on the Nasdaq and consumer discretionary. We're watching energy stocks. Those are higher right now. Over on the Nasdaq 100, this is the part of the screen that we want to pay attention to this week. Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, Meta, all of these will be reporting earnings. We are watching Nvidia down more than 2.5%. In fact, the semis are pulling back a little bit. Nvidia's price target was decreased at Barclays, but Barclays analysts still there with an overweight rating on the stock. Also taking a look at the software stocks, these are losing a little bit. You've got Salesforce over on the Dow that's down almost 3%. Adobe is lower as well. And then I just want to point out what's been happening with crypto, because we are watching Bitcoin dipping below the $22,000 level. And so crypto related stocks are dipping today. And we're watching quite a bit of red on the screen here. Coinbase down, MicroStrategy is down as well. A little bit of a reversal from what we saw over the last 10 days. This is a 10-day chart for the crypto stocks, guys.
As a follow-up, Inez, I mean, what's the sector action looking like today? Because we already got some tech stocks at the end of last week. You think of Snap, you think of Twitter. Is that dragging ahead of the anticipation for those big tech companies later on this week?
You know, what we're looking at with the tech, and let's just actually point out, I'm going to put up an intraday chart so you can see. Last week we saw the social media stocks that were down quite a bit. You had Snap that was down significantly. A little bit of action here. You've got Twitter that's down. Snap is flat right now. But if we just take a look at these sectors, we're watching technology, but it's mostly the semis. It's a lot of the software stocks. Those are the ones that are losing right now. And over on the Nasdaq 100, again, the ones that you want to pay attention to, a little bit of flatness that we're seeing here. You've got Amazon that's down just 0.5%. Tesla is breaking an 8-day winning streak, guys.
Okay, we're going to be talking a bit more about the tech trade. A lot of investors are going to be watching those numbers closely. Thanks for that, Ines.